You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the door. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a car trim removal tool, remove the cover located in the door opening. Using the same tool, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the first screw holding the door panel. Using the fork, lift up the electric window and side mirror controls. Then, shift them. Remove the two power connectors from the controls. Then, unscrew the second screw holding the door panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Using the car trim removal tool, pry off the armrest. Then unscrew the third screw holding the panel. Unclip the door panel by pulling on its lower part. You can now remove the door panel by lifting it off the top track. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. Then, remove the automatic door latch cable and the door release cable. Remove the electrical connector from the door side light. You can now remove the inner door panel. Unclip the power connector from the side view mirror. Remove the plastic covering from the side view mirror retaining bolts. You now have access to the 3 retaining bolts of the side view mirror. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding bolts. Using a fork, remove the rivet holding the door seal. Then, shift the seal. Take off the side view mirror. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Then screw the 3 bolts back in by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. Put the door seal back in place, then the plastic rivet. Put the plastic trim back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. If any door panel retaining rivets are left on the door, remove them using a fork. Then install them on the door panel. While holding the inner door panel, reconnect the side light electrical connector. Put the door release cable and the automatic door latch cable back in place. You can now put the door back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Pass the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls through the opening in the door panel. You can now press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Reinstall the cover located in the door opening. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Screw the 2 armrest screws back on. Put the armrest back in place. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls. Then clip the assembly back on. Tighten the screw back into the door handle. Then put the plastic cover back on. Operation complete.